Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna be showing you some very cool stuff like IK, like this wonderful stuff. Like look at target, like twist, like dance, like smile and shine and just like, you know, like be young all the time. Come on, alright. um and move your arms like this and punch somebody in their face like this and step like this, you know, like the ballerina or like ninja or something, and balance with your body like this, like oopsie oopsie doopsie, I'm dancing, like, you know, or maybe like sit down like this and tell, you know, some stories by fireplace, you know, by buy some cookies, you know. All right, so this is it. Well, yeah, and now actually let's show you how it's working under the hood. So what do we have here? So we have here, this component is not very necessary because it's just for visual part for editor, so we can remove it. So we have here a rig builder component which points at rig component as child object, and this rig component has like the amount of effect it has on the bones. By the way, here are the bones, here is the geometry. So we're not going to affect any geometry here, I mean in this video, and bones. We're going to touch only this part. This is like the controller. Alright, this is it. So this is Richter's forearm, it's pelvis. Let me just start from the very beginning. So to make everything more visible in editor, you can create such beautiful helpers like this, you see, plus size, like visual form, color. Well, that's too big. You can move it around like this. Now, so this is about helpers. Now let's talk about actual stuff. So you see, this is like the pelvis. So it has this component, multi-parent constraint, which tells that this bone will be affected, and it will like correspond to this object, which is, you know, this one. I mean, it will be like, you know, like talk to each other. And actually this is the target for the pelvis. So you see, it's like bone, this component itself, you see this one, this is like the target, and this is, you know, the as a percentage of effect. Let's go to torso. It is a little bit different because it can twist, because, you know, this part, you know, the pelvis cannot twist while torso can twist, and this is how this thing is done. You see, I can just move it like this, and like this. Let me just like this. Now, like this. This is this wonderful part. So you see, this has point A and point B. This point A is like static point, and point B is like which can move. So let's say this a point B, like the body, for instance, or neck. This is a point B, like head. So neck is static, and head can move like this. So it's about this twist chain. It has two bones, and every bone has its target. And boom, boom. Let's go next. Neck. So very same. Neck, head. So uh, neck is static, head is dynamic. So you see, like chest, neck, torso, head. Hold a sec. It's okay. Yeah. So see, like head and head, target, torso, chest. Right. That's good. And arm is something special. So you see, arm and leg is not like one root point and one point that follows. It is like 2 points. I mean like two parts. Uh, part A, part B, something in between. So it may be knee or elbow, and they are corresponding. They are moving and are taking into account this knee or elbow. So you see like root, static part, right? Wrist, like middle part, is like it's like semi-dynamic, and tip here is like hand, is like absolutely dynamic part, and two targets for dynamic parts. I mean, for one part dynamic. So you see, target is like so you see if it's arm, this target it is where the arm is going, and this hint is what I'm going to show you right now. So let's just say you have your arm or leg, I place it in this position, and this hint is where elbow or knee is looking at. So in this case, this is arm, like elbow is right there, so it looks here, not here. You see, if it's here, then it will be like weird, right? So this hint is over here. It is like helper. So let's just say, right? So let's just say you have your hint over here. You launch Unity, and you see that your arm is like in the wrong position, right? Like this. So what you do, you move it here, you copy it, or you like create preset here, right? And you do it once. You don't have to do it all the time. You just fix it once, and it will be like there forever. It's about arms, and the very same comes for legs. So you see, but in case of legs, these hints are in front because knees are in front of you. Like knees are looking in front of you, not like opposite direction. Alright, and also legs have this component with it multi-referential constraint. So it has this target. So it is exactly where you step, what you step at. You see? It's like if you place it in the air, he will raise his foot. If on some surface, he will put his or her foot at his surface. And look at it's pretty simple. So I have here either head or neck. Yeah, it's just like look at constraint. I have here like look at target. Here and here I set it up everything. Here's like regulations, like custom regulations to make it work, because if I leave it like as default, it will be like, weird. So actually that's it. This is just the model that my brother made. I colored this model up, made this IK, and just show you this as it is. So, okay, thank you for watching. Have a good time and bye-bye, and have a good time. See you in the next video about something interesting, or maybe not very interesting. If you find this video interesting, just let me know. If not interesting, also let me know, so I could understand whether I should dig deeper into this topic, or maybe I should abandon this. And yeah, alright. Actually, why I'm recording this video is because my brother asked me to try to sell this model, and I decided to sell it on Unity. But you see, uh, it's broken. Unity is broken, and I cannot even try to sell this package for, this model for my brother. So that's why I'm recording this video actually, because I wanted to. So he asked me to sell this model for less than $1. On Asset Store you can sell minimum for $5 now, and it's broken. So yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye, and have a good time. See you later in the next video. I have already said that. Alright, anyway.